Dear students, we are with the ledger account, and first I have in the first module I have explained how you prepare the ledger accounts and how you balance the accounts, how you carry forward the accounts. Now the second module I told you I am giving one problem and all the journal entries we have completed. Now this module is a continuation. We will prepare the ledger account for all the journal entries, and what we are going to do is we are going to prepare the trial balance also. So there is a new thing coming in, how the balances in the ledger accounts we are preparing the trial balance. So the first check you can check when your trial balance should be tallied. So that's very important. So that meaning up to that you have followed the double entry principles. Only when you follow the double entry principles, then only the trial balance will tally. So that's what we are going to prove in this module. So first I told you in the journal entry, capital value was not directly given in the question. Asset values minus liabilities, we got capital value as 1,90,000. So if you see the journal entry, there is only one transaction related to capital account. So the first capital account, if you write, you have to give the heading ledger of Messrs A and Company. That will be the same for all the accounts because we are opening ledger accounts of Messrs A and Company. So capital account, only one transaction was there. Capital balance was there, 1,90,000. So 1,90,000, it's a liability. So it's a credit balance. So by balance brought down, we are writing 1,90,000. There is no corresponding entry in the debit side. So what we have to remember that, see, only credit side is there. So we will see that capital got only a credit balance. So if it's any debit balance is there, we will reduce and the balance only we will take. So whichever side we are getting the higher value, that will be the balance. See here you can see that only credit side the entry is there, 1,90,000. So that will be the credit balance, and this credit balance we will write it in the credit side of the trial balance. Next we are writing the furniture and fixtures account. So furniture and fixtures account, you have to remember that when in the first journal entry, balance is there, asset balance 10,000, furniture and fixtures is given, but later it's given that furniture sold for 10,000. So opening balance 10,000 and furniture sold for cash also 10,000. So there is no balance in the ledger account. So this furniture and fixtures value or account will not come to the trial balance because debit side is equal to credit side. There is no difference. If it's a credit side difference, we will take it to the credit side of the trial balance. If there is a debit side difference, we will take it to the debit side of the trial balance. Here it is nullified. There is no balance. This item will not come in the trial balance. That meaning furniture and fixtures are not with the organization now. They sold that item. So it will not come in the trial balance. Next is machinery account. Machinery account also, only one item is there, that is the opening value, but they have not sold it, that is still with the firm. So to balance brought down 1 lakh. It's an asset balance, machinery account debtor. That meaning it's a debit balance, so it will go to the debit side of the trial balance. Next is stock account. Stock account also, it's the opening balance. So the first journal entry, balance 40,000 was there. There is no credit side account. So what we are writing is debit side is the balance. So that is the debit balance. Stock account is having a debit balance and it's an asset. It will come in the debit side of the trial balance. Next is sundry receipts. I told you sundry receipts, the newspaper sold for 200. So by cash you are writing 200 rupees. So that is the credit side. There is no corresponding debit balance. So what you have to do is it will come in the credit side of the trial balance. Now next is purchases account. Purchases account has got more transactions on the debit side to Sai and Company. Purchases Sai and Company 10,000, cash account 7,500. That is cash purchases. Messrs Sai and Company again 10,000. So the balance in the account is 27,500. So it's all debit balance. There is no credit entries corresponding to that. So this will be the debit balance of the purchases account will be the debit balance, and this will go to the debit side of the trial balance. Next is sales account. Sales account has only the credit side entries in the ledger account. So by cash 4,000, by Messrs Nair and Company 10,000, by cash account 6,000. So credit side you are getting 20,000. There is no corresponding debit value. So that meaning it will have a credit balance. This sales account is having a credit balance and this will go to the credit side of the trial balance. Next is Nair and Company's account. Both sides we have entries. Balance brought down 15,000. Sales account 10,000. Bank account 9,500. Discount allowed 500. credit side by cash account 14,500, by discount allowed 500, by cash account 9,500, by discount allowed 500. Now the balance is 10,000. By balance carried on, we are getting 10,000 in the credit side. That meaning Nayar's account is having a credit balance that will go to the credit side of the trial balance. Next is Boss and Company's account. There is one side, debit side 25,000, that is from the opening balance. In the assets first journal entry, this value is there 25,000, and they had settled the amount by paying cash 25,000. So this item will not appear in the trial balance, just like furniture and fixtures is not appearing in the trial balance because debit side is equal to credit side. There is no balance in the ledger account. So this item will not come to the trial balance. Now bank loan account, they are taking a bank loan from Canara Bank. So by balance, bank balance was 50,000. Now again they are taking a loan for 1 lakh. So the total value is 1,50,000. This value, both 1,50,000 is in the credit side only. So this will go to the credit side of the trial balance. Next is Sai and Company's account. So Sai and Company's account, debit side entries are there and credit side entries are there. Debit side to cash account 9,750, to discount received 250, to bank account 10,000. Then by balance carried on 20,000. By purchases account 10,000. By purchases account again 10,000. Twice they purchased. So that meaning balance in the debit side, you can see that 20,000. So 20,000 balance will be there. So that balance we had to, because credit side was more. Credit side value is 40,000, whereas debit side value is only 20,000. So credit side has got higher weightage. That means 40,000 on the credit side. Debit side has got only 20,000. So where you will get the difference? Credit side has got the weightage. So credit balance, Sai and Company's account has got the credit balance, that is 20,000. That will go to the credit side of the trial balance. Next is discount allowed account. That meaning by to Mrs. Nayar and Company account 500, to Mrs. Nayar and Company account again 500. Now by Nayar and Company account 500. Debit side has got 1000 and credit side has got only 500. So debit side is more. That meaning 500 debit balance will go to debit side of the trial balance. Next is discount received account. Discount received account, balance brought down 250 and by Messrs. Sai and Company account 250. That is the credit side. There is no debit side balance. That meaning this will have a credit balance. This account will have a credit balance. See, if it has got a debit balance also, we will see the difference, where you are getting difference. If credit side is higher, that will have a credit balance. If debit side is higher, we will have a debit balance. So here debit side, only entry is there in the credit side, 250. No corresponding entry in the debit side. So this item will go to credit side of the trial balance. Next is repairs to machinery account. So repairs to machinery account, in the debit side, cash account 1000. There is no corresponding credit entry. So that meaning this side has got a debit, this item got a debit balance. So this will go to debit side of the trial balance. Now carriage inwards, I told you carriage inwards is related to sales, it will come to trading account. Carriage outwards is related to sales, it will go to profit and loss account. So this is one important item, you have to prepare separate ledgers. So carriage inwards, only debit side 500 is there, credit side no corresponding entry. That meaning this ledger account got a debit balance and this will go to debit side of the trial balance. Municipal taxes account, only debit side entry is there 1000. So this will have a no credit side entry. So this is debit side of the trial balance, this item will appear. Advertisement account, only debit side entry is there 1000. So this will go to debit side of the trial balance. Next is rent account. Only debit side entry is there 1500. This will go to debit side of the trial balance. Now salary account, cash account 3000. Only debit side entry is there. So this will go to debit side of the trial balance. Now drawings account. So that is the last journal entry, that is bank account 2500. There is no corresponding credit entry. That meaning this has got a debit balance and this will go to the debit side of the trial balance. Now cash account and bank account, more transactions are there. Cash account, that balance brought down 2000 is there. That is the first journal entry. To sales 4000, to Messrs. Nayar and Company 14,500, to furniture account 10,000. To Messrs. Boss and Company account 25,000, to Messrs. Nayar and Company account 9,500, to sales account 6,000, to sundry receipts account 200. Now by Sai and Company account 9,750, by purchases 7,500, by bank 25,000, by repairs to machinery 1,000, by carriage inwards 500, by bank account 9,500, by bank account 5,000, municipal taxes 1,000, by advertisement 1,000, by salary 3,000, and balance in the credit side you are getting 7,950. So this has got a 7,950. So that is the debit balance we will have, and this will go to the debit side of the cash account, will go to the debit side of the credit trial balance. Now bank account you have to remember. So balance brought down 68,000, cash account 25,000, again cash account 9,500, now cash account again 5,000, bank loan account 1 lakh. So Messrs. Sai and Company 10,000, by Messrs. Nair and Company 9,500, by drawings 2,500, by rent 1,500, by balance carried on 1,84,000. So this will go to the credit side of the trial balance. Now trial balance also I have prepared. Capital account will have the credit balance 1,90,000. Cash account debit balance 7,950. Stock account debit balance 40,000. Plant and machinery 1 lakh debit balance. Cash and bank account 1,84,000. So cash can have debit balance and credit balance. Credit balance they will have when they will have overdraft. So this is debit balance, cash account, cash at bank 1,84,000. Now sundry receipts credit 200, purchases account 27,500, sales account credit balance 20,000, Messrs. Nair and Company's account 10,000, debit balance, bank loan account 1,50,000, it's credit. They have to repay that. Now discount allowed account debit balance 500, discount received credit 250, repairs to machinery account debit 1,000, carriage inwards account 500 debit balance, municipal taxes 1,000 debit balance, municipal advertisement account 1,000 debit balance, rent account 1,500 debit balance, salaries account 3,000 debit balance, drawings account 2,500 debit balance. Total of the trial balance is 3,80,450. So this is how you prepare the trial balance. So please remember that this is very important. Now journal entry, then we prepared the ledger accounts, we have found out debit balance and credit balance. Now then that we will prepare the trial balance also, and the trial balance has to tally. So one by one we are learning the adjustments, or we are progressing with our syllabus, how we are to do that. Up to trial balance we have prepared. Now from trial balance we can prepare the trading profit and loss account and balance sheet. So this is very important, and I will be giving extra problems for you to practice. You have to take the problems from the description box and you have to do that. Again I'm telling you that it's your hard work, you are going to get the marks. That there is no shortcut to success, and it's a scoring paper. So extra effort you have to take for this paper to learn the basic things, and I have simplified that for your benefit. So you make use of this opportunity. Subscribe to my channel, share and promote my channel, and give me valuable feedback so that I can improve. So then wishing you all the best. Happy learning with Dr. Alice Mani. Thank you.